evening. Today is January 8th, Tuesday, 2013, guys. Let's get right into the SPY, guys. Just do a quick update and some of the charts that I update you guys on. Let's look at the SPY first. Holding this neckline, guys. Still holding up very well, guys, off that big gap up, still consolidating, guys. That's what I called for. Let's look intraday and let's look at the action. I did play a nice scalp on the SPY, guys, right here off the 200 moving average. Was a nice play, guys, coming into the 8:30 time frame on Pacific Standard Time. Got a time count as well into the 200. First hit off a major uptrend, guys. That's always going to be major support, guys. Always watch out for that. So I had no problem taking the scalp for a nice small game. Took it early. It was a downtrend, so I wasn't trying to get too greedy. So I took it right at the touch of the 10 moving average, guys, which is an inside bar as well. So I took my money there. What I should have done, I should have took off half and let the rest run for the rest of the day. That would have been a nice additional gain to that trade. But we are making a nice little bearish consolidation pattern, guys, off this down move. Okay, guys, so watch for this to break tomorrow. It tried to break quite a few times late in the afternoon, but bounced back very nicely, and we did hold in this channel, guys, by the end of the day. But what I'm seeing, guys, intraday is this. We do have a head and shoulder pattern, guys, here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and we did. If you use this as a neckline, we did back test it. And you might see that we closed above it, but if you see it on the hour chart as well, you have to go off the bigger time frame. And we did not close it above it. I'm sorry, we did not close above this neckline until the end of the day. So we have to watch and see if this pattern is negated, guys. If that's the case, this target downside is no longer valid, but it still could play down to the downside, and that would take us conveniently right to the 50 moving average on the hourly chart. So that's very interesting. If you take the measurement of this pattern and we draw the measured target, it does take you to the 50 moving average. Very intriguing stuff, guys. So let's see tomorrow if that plays out. Also, we did hold above my inverse head and shoulder neckline, guys, which is on the bigger time frame right here, guys. I've been talking about it, and I did mention if that breaks, we can look for further downside. Right now, it is holding up very nicely right here. Let me pull this down so you can see it more clearly. Here it is, guys. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And this is the neckline right here. And you can know this plays significant technical significance because look at this. We bounced off it first time, kind of came in spirit, touch again, and then the second time we actually pierced through it and closed back above it. So very interesting, very intriguing indeed. And this pretty much caught the low of the day here. And I mentioned that intraday why that level held. Let me go over it again, guys. 200 moving average, time count into the 8:30 time frame. All this stuff, guys, you have to learn as a day trader, and the benefits really start pouring in, guys, when you learn this stuff. Look at this. Caught this right here. Time count, 11:30 time frame on Eastern Standard Time, and you also have the 200 moving average. Also, a 145 even number play. So you put all these factors together, guys, you get a beautiful results, guys. Okay, guys, so that's what I'm looking on the SP right now. Also, you can make a case we're in this little downtrend, so we have to watch for that. We're at the very upper range of it. Third hit as well, so that is a time count as well. So we could be headed down towards this lower channel tomorrow, guys. Okay, so we'll have to look out for that. Let's look at Apple really quickly. Didn't really look at Apple today. I just didn't see anything. I was busy monitoring my SPY trade, and late when it's in the afternoon, I really don't trade anymore because the volume's so dead. You really only get your trades in the early morning for day trades. Let's see, look at SPY. This is the Apple hourly chart. Same thing, guys. Still in this triangular pattern, guys. As you guys know, I'm already in some very conservative trades, but that's the way to go right now to see how this pattern plays out. Because right now, the SPY is either it holds that neckline, that inverse, or breaks it. So we have to just kind of wait and see where it closes, guys. If it stays above it, makes a nice pattern, we can go bullish. And if it closes below that neckline on the SPY, we can look to buy some puts or go short, guys. Maybe pick up some SDS, which is 2 times short the S&P 500. Okay, let's look at right here. This is my levels, guys. Same thing, guys. 460, 600. So this has stayed the same, still in this range. That's working out beautifully. I was looking at Amazon. I actually did open up another Amazon trade today. Actually went ahead and did the 290 call. I don't see the stock breaking up to that level by Friday. I just don't see it. So I got a nice little trade there, nicely in the money. Those contract's almost already worthless. Nice pause candle. That's what I call it for, guys. If it is going to hold this low, it's going to consolidate first. It's not going to just keep going straight up. Okay, guys. So it did hold this lower portion of this candle, guys, too, as well. So that's exactly what you want to see if you're bullish. Let's look at the intraday action. What I do like about it, we kind of broke this channel, guys. So maybe want to go sideways here, and that's what I'm anticipating for. Whenever you break one of these channels, either means you're going to consolidate or fall. Okay, or it could reclaim the trend line, the parallel channel. But if it does, I already kind of calculated, I kind of already extrapolated the upside. If it stays in this range, it will still stay below 290 by Friday. But it could get close. But that's your worst case scenario. I don't believe that will happen. I think it should probably just go sideways from here. Because after a great up move, that's usually the case. Unless it gets another upgrade or something like that, but that's very unlikely and not likely in the cards. But let's look at some other stocks. Let's take a look at the let's look at IWM and take a quick glance at that. Holding up, it's just like the SPY, just holding in this range right here, guys. So consolidating nicely. Let's look at the Qs. Q's still in this nice little channel here, guys. So it broke down and reclaimed it. So still in this nice little tight little channel. Not much going there. I believe I talked about Google before. Google's also in this rising channel, guys. I'm still looking for a short here, guys. If it does hit this upper range of this breakdown candle, that would be a nice risk reward trade, guys. Just a beautiful at 77.60, guys. Your stop out would be very, very tight. Any close above that, you just get out. But look at your downside. Nice risk reward analysis right there. Your first target could be the touch of this trend line because it could stay in this range. But if it breaks that, you can probably, so you'd probably, if you took this, you'd take, half off here, and you'll probably get a nice pattern here and then break down again, and that'll be your second target right around this lower range with the 200-day moving average. Is there anything else I want to look at before I take off tonight? Let's look at the VIX really quick. Right now, it just looks like we are approaching very, very important support, guys. So expect some volatility in the coming days, guys, because we are right at this trend line right here, guys. So that's very important support on the VIX. So we have to watch for that, and that is around at 1332 roughly, guys, 1330. So we have to watch the volatility index. Very important. Okay, I think that's everything I want to go over. Not much going on for me. Just added another trade today, so 4 trades in the books. So we'll watch how that all plays out the rest of the week. Okay, guys, have a great one. Good evening. Talk to you guys later.